In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Osnap for precise drawing in AutoCAD. Object Snap, or Osnap, is one of the most important tools for drafting accurately in AutoCAD. It locks your cursor onto exact geometric points on existing objects like endpoints, midpoints, centers, and intersections so every click lands precisely where it should. This prevents tiny gaps, misalignments, and those frustrating off-by-a-hair connections that can cause problems later when you dimension, trim, or build on your geometry. First, let's talk about turning Osnap on. You can toggle it quickly by pressing F3 on your keyboard. When Osnap is active, you'll see feedback as you move your cursor. If you prefer using the interface, you can also click the Osnap icon on the status bar at the bottom of the screen to switch it on or off. For more control, open the Osnap settings from that same status bar. This is where you choose which snap modes AutoCAD watches for as you draw. For most day-to-day drafting, it's best to keep a small set of commonly used snaps active all the time. Enable Endpoint, Midpoint, Center, and Intersection. These four cover the majority of precise connections you'll need, and keeping the list short helps AutoCAD prioritize the right points without clutter. You can always come back and adjust as your drawing changes. But starting with these gives you a clean, reliable setup. Now, as you hover near a snap point, AutoCAD shows an AutoSnap marker and a tooltip so you know exactly what you are about to pick. The marker is a small green symbol, a square for an endpoint, a triangle for a midpoint, and a circle for a center. The tooltip will read things like endpoint, midpoint, or center. Wait for that marker and tooltip before you click. This is your confirmation that Osnap has locked onto the right spot. Here is how that looks in practice. If you are drawing a line and want to start exactly at the end of an existing line, move your cursor near that end until you see the green square and the endpoint tooltip. Then click. For a midpoint, slide along an edge until the green triangle and midpoint tooltip appear. To snap to the exact center of a circle or arc, hover over it until you see the green center marker and click. If your cursor feels jumpy, zoom in a bit. It makes the markers easier to catch. And if you ever need a quick break from snapping, press F3 to toggle Osnap off. Then press it again to turn it back on. Use Osnap consistently, and your drawings will be cleaner, faster to edit, and far more reliable. Thanks for watching.